State governments are also an important part of today's conversations. We know much of the physical infrastructure across the country is funded by the federal government, with dollars flowing through the states to help meet local and statewide needs. A handy example of this is the Department of Transportation. Of course, state departments of transportation live at the heart of planning, design, construction, and maintenance of our many modes of travel. And arts in transportation touch that entire life cycle of work. The arts enhance transportation in a host of ways. We most easily see this when our public spaces are transformed, becoming stimulating environments, making transportation itself a better experience. But just as important, the arts help provide solutions to transportation sector challenges, like engaging communities meaningfully to improve transportation experiences and their outcomes. We have seen examples of the arts enhancing safety outcomes, and artists helping to fuel agency transformations that use creative practices to advance experimentation, something artists do so well, so that address complex problems can be solved in new ways.